1964 F100 custom cab here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This particular truck, same family, has owned it since new. Decided it was time to part with it. It's now available to be purchased. Believed to be original miles, a little over 70,000 on it, according to the original family that had it. Underneath the hood, 3.7 liter inline six, or otherwise known as a 223. That is paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission, shifter on the column via the Warner T89C. Let you take a look at the front grille, bumper. If you notice behind there has been an aluminum radiator that was added. We'll pop the hood here in a bit, let you see it run, check out the interior. But if you want to take your time, look through this, see the underside, the interior, engine bay, bed of it. You can see still pictures on this truck at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Paint code on this truck AM, which would be black and Wimbledon white. So still looking very similar to the way it would have looked when it was produced at Ford back in 1964. Let's go ahead, take a look down the passenger side here. As you can see, it's riding on the Krager SS. Chrome wheels, radial tires. Technician that drove this truck drives out nice. Had it going down the road 60 miles an hour. Was driven here for consignment. So this truck, get in it, turn the key and go. Interior, I believe that this is original interior as far as the seat covers. If you look at the trim code or body code, it's going to be an E81, which in 64 I'll tell you that this had the red crushed vinyl with a red check stripe woven in it. And we'll get around to that driver's side and I'll show you that a little closer too. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. This spare tire is mounted back here. Obviously, it could be taken out. You'd like the looks of it better without it back there. They also had some magnets made up for the doors that are kind of cool. Just state that it's a 64 Ford custom cab if you ever wanted to take this out. Maybe do parades with it. Any of your local roll-ins, car shows, kind of cool to stick those on the side. People that know what it was, what year. I believe there's about 100 pictures of this truck online, and again, you can see them at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. You can see how straight that bed is too. I mean, that's a long panel. Are there some imperfections here and there in it? Yes. A little spot right here where the paint kind of shows imperfections. Maybe a small chip here or there, but like I said, get in it and drive it. Have some fun with this one. FYI, 389 rear end in it. Alright, let's go ahead and check out this interior. Really cool tack in here that must have been added back close to when it was new. But first of all, check out, looking like the original door panels in here. Left this kind of half unzipped. There would have been a storage compartment behind here. Lots of times you just see the panel, like a tin piece screwed over the top of those. There's the original door tag, and you can see a close-up picture of that. Of course, the fuel tank behind the seat. And here's what I'm talking about. I do believe that these are original seats. A little bit of wear here, some rip here, but if they are not, they look very authentic to this time period. Alright, we're going to fire this up, let you hear it run. This spotlight also works on the side here. You can actually see it right up there. Turn it down, there you go. Spotlight works. Click it back off. There we go. Alright, let's go ahead and fire this up. And here the radio works. See how easily that's starting. It runs so smooth. So the radio is a retro sound style radio. So you got a little nicer radio, probably what it came with. Blower fan right here, also working. You pull it out for the defrost. Come over here. I'm going to swipe the wipers once. Wipers work. Check out this older tack. How cool is this? That's also working. Gauges, fuel gauge came right up. I'm assuming the temperature gauge is going to come up with engine temp. There's what it shows for miles, and again, according to the previous owner, same family owned it since new, 74,834. And again, the tech said he would definitely believe it the way this thing drove out going down the road. All right. No other real wear on the seat that I've noticed on the inside, just that one spot from getting in and out of the drivers. Seat belts, of course. Then there were a couple switches, fog light and the driving lights that have added up front. Slip around in the back, nothing crazy as far as exhaust or sound or anything like that. Sounds like you'd expect. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. It's going to take me a couple hands to get this hood open, check out that engine.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Going to look pretty stock underneath here, except that aluminum radiator. And as you can see, does have power brakes. 223 cubic inch inline six. And again, engine bay just looks very stock. Kind of coincides with what you expect those original miles to be. 3.7 liter. Looking for a fun one to take out and drive. Here you go, 1964 Ford F100 custom cab. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.